The 2-week crash course begins with a wake-up call. The student realizes the urgency of efficient learning with only 14 days left before the exam. A cluttered desk symbolizes chaos, but it's time to transform it into a structured study zone. The first step is to assess the exam syllabus and prioritize high-yield topics. This moment of clarity sets the foundation for a focused and productive study plan. With urgency established, the student creates a minimalist study plan. A 2-week calendar is divided into color-coded blocks for each subject, focusing on the 80-20 rule, prioritizing the 20% of content that yields 80% of the results. This strategic approach ensures maximum efficiency and minimizes wasted time. Sticky notes with motivational reminders add a personal touch to the plan. The student sorts study materials into essential and optional piles. Essential resources, such as textbooks and class notes, are prioritized, while optional materials are set aside. This triage process ensures that only high-yield content is studied, saving valuable time. The focus is on quality over quantity, aligning with the 80-20 rule introduced in the previous scene. Active learning techniques are introduced to maximize retention. The student uses flashcards, self-quizzing, and summary sheets to engage with the material. This method enhances understanding and recall, making study sessions more effective. Digital tools, such as a flashcards app on a tablet, complement traditional handwritten notes, blending modern and classic study methods. The Pomodoro technique is implemented to manage study time efficiently. The student sets a timer for 25-minute focused study sessions, followed by 5-minute breaks. This time-chunking method prevents burnout and maintains high productivity levels. Short breaks include stretching or sipping coffee, ensuring the student stays refreshed and motivated throughout the day. Daily mini-assessments are conducted to track progress. The student uses a checklist and a bar graph on a whiteboard to measure accuracy and identify weak areas. This data-driven approach ensures continuous improvement and keeps the student motivated. Celebrating small wins, such as achieving 90% accuracy on day 5, reinforces confidence and commitment to the plan. The student joins a study group for quick feedback and peer accountability. 3 students discuss key concepts via a video call, sharing insights and clarifying doubts. This collaborative approach fills gaps in understanding and provides moral support. The study group becomes a valuable resource for reinforcing knowledge and staying on track. Balancing study with self-care is crucial for maintaining mental health. The student takes 10-minute breaks to meditate, enjoy healthy snacks, and recharge. This stress mitigation strategy ensures sustained focus and prevents burnout. The student learns that productivity isn't just about studying harder, but also about taking care of oneself. A full-length mock exam is conducted under timed conditions to simulate the real test. The student reviews answers with a red pen, identifying the stakes and reinforcing correct knowledge. This simulation builds confidence and reduces exam day anxiety. The mock exam serves as a final checkpoint before the actual test, ensuring readiness. On the day before the exam, the student reviews key points from their summary notes. The focus is on light review and confidence building rather than cramming. The sunrise through the window symbolizes a new beginning and readiness for the challenge ahead. The student feels prepared, calm, and motivated to perform their best.